it's Melissa and welcome to my channel. I just wanted to give you a little background about what I'm all about here on Melissa Shares. I'm a mommy to 2 little girls and I don't know about you, but I am momming so hard. Since becoming a mother, it has become the most important job in my life, and now that I'm a stay-at-home mom, it is also a challenge and part of my life to try to keep things under control financially and do things that are both really great and fun and enriching for my kids while also saving money. So on this channel, if that sounds like you and you are also driving a Mazda in a Maserati-filled parking lot, I'm really trying to share with you all kinds of ideas for after-school activities, ways to reuse and recycle at home that can create fun activities for your kids, gardening, books and resources that have been helpful for me, and ways that I'm saving money as a mom. I hope you'll choose to subscribe, and I hope you'll stick around for the fun and leave some of your comments in my videos because I don't know everything yet and I would love to hear from you. Thanks so much.